Hey guys, morning. Tonight we're gonna draw Paralititan, one of the big sauropods from one of the best dinosaur documentaries I've known since the first time I saw it. This guy first appeared on Monsters Resurrected. They are known to be as long-necked sauropods, kind of like their ancestors, Apatosaur, Diplodocus, and a few others like Sauropod and Titanosaur. Now let's draw the stripes on his back. These are what help him, well, they're just for show. And done. So, that is how you draw a Paralititan.